see here na achụ anyị ọsọ. If we na I never run only fans, body and ancha, Zueke. I don't want child support. Ncha the cheap. Then I present with variety. Just the remote. You click here, click on. Can't go.
Wago yi na atumo biko nyere ni mefe. Oyi ka.
Ezio. Bamfu kisi na ebe we maru na all the way from West Virginia when Mama Casey in the building. Welcome Mama Casey.
Oyi ka. Tanku.
Drop your new one at NYC. Kebi no you na to here. Where is that?
I know Canada biko no oyi atumo na mo.
Oh. Ebu you see obodo oyi ke no ya. So getting gigi don't work now. What's the current
Not yet for now. Nothing yet. Nothing. Chakom. Not at all.
Spike.
Yes.
Song mama. Welcome. Do my toy. One toy easy.
I'm going to get
I can't know why he did the woman just.
What? Oh, you know, too.
So, or switch over the mother na
Chawara na Canada.
Hey, but I'm going to two other go cook a dar or too much of where. Anything can go now. Get the hitch, okay? I will tell you.
Do I have a choice? If I'm gonna anything can go now.
Okay, you don't have a choice now.
Yes, I don't have. As it is right away, I don't think I have a choice.
Okay, as it is right now, you don't have a choice.
No, I don't have a I don't have a choice.
You don't have a choice.
I don't have a choice.
Hey, Ejoku.
Yes.
She needs me right now, Waga. I say she need me right. You know how to so now. Song mama. Come along. This beautiful face. I like seeing beautiful face. You know, we're very critical condition. Yeah, telling you. Critical condition.
Oh, you're not Canada, no. Yeah, no.
Second, I'm look easier, but we're mal in Fed.
Oh, you
I need a man. Hey, what is going on? Men, I call kuchis. Can you find a man? I know. Yeah, they're a war.
Have your beacon.
Eh? I can drive to Canada.
No, so can you drive? I'm not make it.
Onye Canada neighbor. Onye she's playing work. Because onye Canada no God. He said, do you come? But I come. Help people help sisters that need help. Because on a more serious note, this lady needs some help. Which part of Canada she there? Sister don't have choice. Yeah, it's a part. You see, nah. I know choice, but I have option. I can't find the money. I have options. Since I mean, you could tell us. You do something. Tell us. Woman, I'm not how dangerous. Mad the damage of this thing. Eh? What is her religion? In the mother, what is her religion? Why does he have to that's what is her religion? Are you a crazy?
I'm
not to that nonsense question. I'm in Canada, but do she come?
Come now. Chat me. Let me know if I'll let you know if I come.
Na can go if I have emergency.
Emergency.
If I have emergency, chop your own emergency. I could see with somebody in Canada. Yeah? If you not the humble, if you not go Barambaya, would you want to go? You draw your son on choice at this particular time. At this particular time, anything goes. Call me for that uncle small because man, Canada, call it. Because you yeah, I have working in Canada. Link ya news go. If I have binging. What when if one na iche na bro just call me for that uncle one time. We call you continue the
Oh yeah, continue. All the more continue.
Okay, continue. Okay, all the more continue.
The him mojoro onwe biko.
Okay, all the mojoro onwe.
Mojoro onwe we heji ebe.
All the more continue, all the mojoro onwe.
Because onwe your liability.
Oh, so even Jolly boy, you're gonna that.
Of course, all the sharp.
Then I say show your face. On a signal OEG. It will go on while you're pongo.
One guy. And that is possible.
Very possible.
Very, very possible.
Especially those sizable ones like your own. Yeah. Bongo. Walk, bro.
So when you know Canada no server.
Because then I see a 360. If the 360 I will American in Canada. We are bunch. Eh? Why are not bring those girls too? Which girls are you talking about? Next girl on a Canada. Tell you no, it's stranded. Weak, going on again. No, yeah. Mental people. Hello,
yeah, hello.
I am afraid, patience. I'm patience. About Canada. About Canada.
No, I'm on US. Waga.
Up is Stone Through, though. It's Stone Through, no?
Yeah, I can drive to her location. It's not a problem. I'm appear driving hour.
I think we are heading somewhere. He said, how many minutes are we talking? How many days are we talking? How many days drive?
Years between 6 hours, 30 minutes, or 7 hours. I'm in Canada.
Fine. Breathe a sigh of relief. I'm a man. I never.
Have your unknown.
Hey, it was here. I'm sorry, man. I didn't go. Now I'm to see. I'm very broadcast. It's not. It's just me around. But I get it. Next time around the 5G, there's some construction going on. But don't worry, it will be good. You like it. Silver Jawani. On the most serious note, one. It have an emergency. In an echo, or they can use the.
I'm on the one I've put the same thing. If one him, you know the tick. How come I call you also?
So you know, you thank you.
I was born.
So if I got about like catch fire, like. Yeah, like just go to food and
that is.
One kind problem. Man, I knew or that a man for a long time. Or this particular kind of water. It's either I know one or o tee ezigbo aka
ka ọ na ọ chọrọ m ga-enye ya nọ m ya mma akwagide ọkụ okweta na ihe na-eme
Waga idishara m echewu. 6 hours drive.
mma apịagide ọkụ okweta na ihe na-eme
Chelgoro first of all, before I appear the ọkụ, ọ take 7 hours drive. Anyị ọ na-ekwu na ọ ga-edu nkwu ebe.
Ọ ga ha akwa na ha dị esi ọkwa na today ka nwe oyi nwa bidoro nnọọ today ka ọ pụtara na-agwa gị lekwa ihe na-eme n'ụwa so ọ ka ga-edi nwunye until m bịaruo ebe ahụ mbịadị ya 1 full week before m na-agọta ebe a.
I can't bear it. I can't wait. Ọ na-ewu m ewu waga. Ọkụma apụta gwa gị na na-ewu m ewu. Oh, you did too much.
Onye anụ ọrụ na-emecha ma find it, she's not in calm on down ka onye na-ekwu okwu n'okwu. Odelu. So ife mere nụ bụ I see that onye na-ekwu okwu ọ na-ewu ya na-ewusi ya ike. Gụwa na onwe gị esikwa na ọ kọrọ na nwa 7 hours drive.
Yes.
Na ọ nwere ka ga-esi fee efe ofufe ọ ga-adụ dị izi nwere ike ofufe nwere ike
ofufe dịkwa izi but ịmagono m bịanụ m ga na akpa m ga na-ebugharị ya na siti a ga-anọgidekwa n'ime ụlọ 2-4 ọkwa akụrụkwa ịnọ anya agbarịkwana within town agatarasị ụmụ ife
eziokwu ọ kwado nne ọkwa with things ọgbakwa so things ka a gara atakwa things
ọwụ na ngo tiketi do anaghị ma na ọkpa ka a ga na-eji na-aga oyi dị ọ ga-ejikwa ọkpa na-eso m na-aga ebe anyị na-aga
afụbago mara na Siami na Ontario
Going to Ontario.
First of all, wait. My man say, I want to do a Buhari. Me, I'm suggesting. Obuna ndị Ontario ga-abịa ebe nye nwe gị nsogbu ife fega kamilo de haya moto if I put an emergency
ihe na-ekwudaba kwara ọsọ ịghọtago ihe na-ekwudaba mụ na ya ga-enwere n'akụkụ ịghọtago so ngoro ticket lekwe m just turn on laptop on now. If I can book ticket or it's not a problem. Then every day I show car rental place, rent record.
Oh, we'll on there. I can't do madam. We'll on there. And then clear out quick.
I'm about to the conversation. The conversation.
I don't.
Wagaji.
There were. I got look one at the same mood.
Waga, Imana Mabro, you're gonna go. Yes, gbanyụ ala anyị ọkụ ka mụ na vidiyo ozugbo gbanyụ ọkụ.
Mụ na baka unu vidiyo.
Just gbanyụ ọkụ.
Na-ekwu na ife ọkwụkwọ na onye bifo onye Amerịka na-erute nso.
Mba na if ya mana mụ nọ na ya just gbanyụ ala anyị ọkụ kịta. Ịnụ mkpu mmadụ ya eti kịta n'ime room.
Ewe
onye ọkwa na 360 baga ọ na-ajọta anyị njọ 360 anyị ka anyị 10%.
How many times can I make 360 ever?
I have 4.
Imana 360 abụọkwa nọ na na-enye bịa ka o juo ọ dị-ejukwa n'afọ ọ ma 360 o dị-eju afọ inyegerikwa anyị 20 ọ dị okay I will always correct afụ nwoke enyere 360 ọ sị no it's not possible.
Waga.
What?
Waga. Before any remember because also out of Kunjo Manjiru and I for the completely.
You can come up with a comment section. I want to hear them. So Kuanya Konya.
nne ka ije gị nwoke na-agba dị mmiri na negodi nwoke negodi nwoke negodi nwoke negodi nwoke
nne
Waga oyi ka nkụ.
inyere
Onwe ka mmesi bi n'ebe a atọ oyi ka nkụ.
not even ịmara na ihe a bụ moving of the body ka arụ gị wee kporo ọkụ
nwa nke na-azụ kwa njọ waga ịgbanyezigara anya n'oge ya ebi ime ife a
agbanyụ comment section ka m fụ kọmọ n'iru ọ bụrụ so nku anya just enu nku anya ka e nyere anyị not even imi episode so nku anya na
waga ife nna na-ajụ bụ ịgbanyụ ọkụ a onye a nwanne gị kwubikwa m detin ọ ga-ebikwa m ya ka nlisali
I think ihe ọ na-ejidebe bụ just onye ga-arịkwulebakwuru ya na diba ha
na dibe na ya bịa ndị matara nke ka ya lebata nke
onye ga-arịbakwuru na that duve ọhịa ị ga-adịgoro after na bụ n'ime duve a kere ihe dị n'ime ebe agba ọtọ n'ime duve a is it a naked duve inside it? Yeah, do you need privacy like me browsing the internet? Then I think you need the NordVPN. That's what I've been using. Yes, so if I need use since Uchebia. If you want some privacy on your browsing the internet, you know how I mean. Yes, click on the link on the description and you're gonna get 66% off your 2-year plan. You mean? My people. Yeah. Don't keep me at the time. I love you all. Click on the link on my description. NordVPN. Protect yourself. Protect your digital world. Let's go. Now. I see you.
That is what I want to know, the waga. That is exactly what I want to know. Can funny for Bunina, Obukuaniru Nazo, Kojo Siru so Kwako.
Abumonya. This particular person, no eba, in a fusion kwanya, GK.
Waga. California, and also they come Fuguenia, now, but Lepaganda for Busu, dear. Nicaposo.
Bikono. Achọ m ịfụ ihe ekpuchi n'ime duva nne biko just ihe duva
waga agwa m ọtọ mmehie biri
yes
waga efro ka ko bufute eri ke na ile ga so nkuwa ya
keri ije inu
I'm fine.
Ocho inya 360.
But all my
okay
man.
kwa
I forgot page ya mama.
Mbi ni dire baba. Ya no. Na kiara, kwa na-ekwu ebe a. Nkwuo ige bụ nkwu. Adị m ama m ihe na-ekwu. Na kiara agbigbi like this. Then ala dịkwu.
Waga ka afọ ni anya na bụrụ orikapụgo ọsọ nwere ya o nwere ife ndị eri
ọ nwekwara ya ọ maka
ka ekwara ifuru ifuru azụ onye kwụ n'ọkụ.
So my man
waga oyi na-atụkwarị n'ebe a ka ebe ije gị na ka mmadụ n'ife m ga-eme ebe a na ọ bụrụ ya gbanyere akụkọ ịgbanye ọkụ na akụkọ nwegoro ihe m ghọtara
o nwere onye nke ama m because ị na-ekwu okwu ị na-alụsọ nne biko onye kwuo na one more light
esi na onye nke ebe na-ekwu waga onye nke ọ bụ tu ya adịkwa n'ụmụ na
o nwere nke just
bụ ga-adị m mma na-arụ
ebe ọ na-aba n'ebe a nna m achọkwara ikporo aka na abụ ebe ọ na-eme gị n'abalị a ebu ọcha
asị gị oyi nke a dị SS
ukwe gridi man nna ya dị m afụ dị iru nke gị chacha onye nke bịara ọfụrụ beauty
eze ka a na-afụ anya
Fine girl.
Why are you like this?
Fine girl.
We cannot hear you. Now we can see you, but we cannot hear you.
What?
Welcome on your I'm a whooping na one. If one because jet shot or no, I have a by and even
one can one gap teeth like this, eh? Not sorty. Not sorty.
If I am working for you, oh my God, Chineke.
Where from?
The ice Mario.
Yeah, not forget to one.
Oh, yeah,
No, because
where would do Punina?
See the wow. All the or try cool down. I do one naga.
Can't do the kids, what on there?
And
you forgot me the offend you were gonna.
Happening key in keep hearing now.
Calm down. Calm down.
You see, the problem na akaga the next thing of what that's all you are trying to do. Careful.
What I just enjoy.
Hana jo the maka ajo to go just small. Hold on. I want to call bag in the corner for it. Better bambara cho in a minute. Calm down, yo.
Okay.
Hold on.
Can't go bag.
Obro go on. You don't need at all. Hey. Oh, can be an ego.
Going you back, you might put online. Next time going you back.
No problem. Man, this is fine gear. Huh? It's not a good in a
I don't really look at that.
Leave
me alone.
Oh,
you guys fine boy.
Fine boy.
So fine.
How are you?
Oh, she's so beautiful.
Good.
How are you? Fine girl. Okay. Yeah, we are good. We are good. This Sister Golden and you know, good. I hope you are doing good in school, eh?
Yeah.
Trust you. What's your name again?
Name?
Zara.
Oh, Zara. I love your name.
So pretty. So pretty. How old are you?
Huh?
How old are you?
8.
Beautiful. You know what? I have 4 years daughters, and they're gonna be like you when they grow 8. Okay? Keep being smart. Very smart young girl. Keep going.
Okay, thank you.
Say thank you, right?
Thank you.
All right. Nebugo tea and iruge. And make sure. No, in the same room with you.
Give me the charger.
Make sure. No, in the same room with you.
Before no biapa discussion.
And Baba, I'm strictly 18. Strictly. Yes.
Get you, man.
I know. The man. Udodi.
If you met Tabu Sunday, like what's happening on your platform?
Listen to Jubo. Onye na-enweghị mmadụ. Ọ dị interested n'inwe mmadụ. N'ime nap right now.
Enwe mmadụ.
Okay.
But I just like ya ihe anyị na-eme, so I'm married. So,
Oh, nice. So ndị a niile na-eghechasị ọnụ ntọ ọnụ.
Coming down. All of us coming down.
Ya bụ oke mkpi a na-ekwu na-eti sekụl. Ị ga-ajụ ajụjụ press. Ife itiba nwaanyị mmadụ ma ya gị sekụl. Ife ya na-ekwu ebe.
360 degree.
You're welcome, my dear.
Thank you,
What's
Papa.
your name?
Chinyere.
Okay.
Chinyere, fine girl, man.
Chinyere.
What are you not talking? No, we can't talk. What have been going on?
Someone said the kids will and go and ask.
So Golden, when how far? I know you, that's right. Eh? I know you. Last if you what have been going on? Here.
I'm from Mumbai. I the last Sunday. I joined Kesa.
Never have for a fine game. Just your armor, no, I am catch. Damage. Looking more. Good. I'm a money. How far? I'm a catching. When I like now.
I'm always a free girl.
Yeah, we always a free game. So, Kerala style again. I go this your free set.
Of course.
That was when? That was like 2 months ago, 1 month ago.
Easter.
The end of our challenge, I don't know why. No, challenge here. Now it's not Boban up and down. So, Golden, you look at them gonna allow somebody just because I'm gonna allow somebody now. You know, only I know subscribers only yesterday. So I was trying to explain something. Sometimes you gotta allow somebody. Even when you also you see. You just can get a boyfriend for that work, but I'm the auto so. You know, you're going to record this, right? Thank you. Yeah? My sister, Beauty. I'm you see, if you are new here, but how long you know?
On your platform.
Yes.
Nah.
Yes.
Okay, go well. But
okay. Oh, no problem. No need for foreign language. Benko, the only thing I want to tell you is that you calm down. No? That's why you cook. I got to down, walk down, to do program. Because nothing else. So that being said, all I complain, you know. Bobrio, I just this I come on a cocoa. Everybody and I complain. I from it's confusing me. I don't understand. Woman, you're gonna from for your capital is from usual deep down now. What can you have from?
Location na cost.
I'm on the wow, especially side there, you know.
Your location na cost here, like I don't get.
Ever fine girls this say like over sharp, but one na do her like one don't actually may self. Ujola to her
I think it's because. I think it's because
you maybe no if the girl very tall and beautiful. But
very tall.
Very tall. But any cable or try come. Anyị ọma kwedu sef ka dị kom like ka o ruo n'isi ọ wepụgo amị ozugbo ọtọ afọ ime nwe mpọsi digel mesi nye mmanya daiz ka ọ hapụ ịma ihe ọ na-eme but still ozugbo nwoke wepụ maka digel nọ ha late 30s ọ chọrọ ịmụ nwa
ndị a na-asị infections everywhere na lie ọ bụrụ infection na-atụ men let me tell you girls now, I think I'm discovering something. Only fans. Go there, that's where you find all the men. Ncha, this period. I don't know. Men prefer they come here, I body and ncha. Akama kumbe, my child support, and now only fans, body and ncha.
It's so cool. Why you work?
Don't think this is happening in Nigeria.
But it's not,
probably.
It's not happening in Nigeria. Side that
where's your location? Get the location again.
No, Atlanta, Georgia.
Okay.
Okay, though, call this side.
Beauty, any woman can so too much.
So like
die support.
But it's not everybody now. That's the thing.
Everyone prefers in a functional comment section. And only fans. I mean, I you will even present you with varieties.
Oh, we came one day. You also, you heard your and your side.
Yeah.
One day. You heard your and your main side.
Hey God.
On a
upon your main side.
It's so cool. It's so cool.
And you know another thing, when you tell them the truth, what you want, how that Hannah was here to have pull out.
Oh yeah,
to women start lying.
So on a boss someone child support. Or child support.
Yes, Waga, child support.
Child support because don't like that's child support in the mess her up. Like I know a lot of my friends.
But there's something they don't know. There's something they don't know. Why you telling that child support? Or they will charge you based on what you are making. You calculate they go down and charge you. Okay, let's say you do it for 18 years or 23 years. You calculate they go league and then what time or poor child support. They go league and they provide it every time. So some men will even prefer that child support itself.
And for the more come at the
child supportable. You even barely see the myself. You barely see the so
they use
so the road.
Can I ask something? But if men all the women not abroad, why are they all like this child supporting? Because these guys when they come back to Nigeria, father fear you eat dinner with any gear in Nigeria. Father fear you if wine in Nigeria. If you make the family they'll just want to like make that I don't think I don't know. I'm just saying. I don't think so.
child support. Oh yes, you know, is now 22 years. Imana, what? I can't want.
Even if okay, even if the person takes child support, like like right now, there's one that I'm facing right now.
Okay.
Even the girl has nerve to even call me. I was like, I don't want to get hungry because I'm more what the money near the girl. So I don't want to get hungry to make things worse. One, you can get team more than a child support. Two, you want that person to pay your house rent. Are you crazy?
See here now try also. If we I never only fans, body and ancha. Zweke. I don't want child support. Uncha the cheap. Then I present with variety. Just the remote. You click
So in other words, one guy, I
only fans. Eh?
In other words, I question a pity mum working mom wine obodo yibo.
The problem buna ndị only fans na korozi men. Because men na si onwe instead of mu ije de tie bo nwum na nsogbu anọkata asim child support anọkata asim nka. Nje ebe bori na ncha zuo ike. $1
man. That's it, bunch yourself. It's not good now.
I brought that
That's it, bunch. I'm not real fresh. I'm not flesh. I'm not cool. Get it? How don't you want no now? May we rose. More trouble me.
Kuna na area everywhere. The problem Blankuna na area everywhere. And I'm advert everywhere. If you give an lecture, since web since the above, if we going to web test you moke kalu kenelu nchakun nabo. Ana alumana ada aluwaga kesi alulundia ndi amwe tu
everywhere.
Nanya. Eyi guy eyi go moke ujo too much. Moke naze.
So
maybe only fast no gabekwa.
Abobala ginchos bo. The problem buna oman bagiri beba image child support.
I don't like that. It's just
the problem buna all about the table can I put a picture.
Olha, tô com muito. Olha, olha, tô com
God who made me. So you people need to start fix me camera again man so body. Eh? Yes. Man, I me man. Yes. Ndani na si not amunako. Yes, amunako because I'm the busy. Obape Pornhub if eneme or wepe kakuna only fans if you quartalunja.
Kenta bikoni.
Kenta bikoni. Ada kologa is STD.
Exactly. And I got the child support.
So
I don't know why you should start their own.
Start we are just trying to do something to help ourselves. But no, everything. Everything. No
one can at all. No one can at all.
Man can don't much.
Man can
Soros.
Yes, now one can and if Why you nara? O te nwoke na-eme ọnụ kwa ọnwụ etego onwe. Nke nwanyị na
ị na-aṅụ m ala na-aṅụ m ekwuda na ipụta rose were na-eme onwe m gị ka m ga-efili kwe even feelings afọ
n'anya o nwere ihe bụ ada akpọde gị na phone si gị baby why did you call me? No, Nanya, it's a pandemic. Oh. You guys better start knowing what to do about it. You in an alternative, now because you got John the only fans. Every day 14 million, 20 million. Oh yeah, oh man, wow. Very good.
Ah, God.
I go to back for now, eh? Arama di ready. Onye ga-amị ya.
Oh my God. They are pukwa.
They can wait. They can work. Hey, and the worst part is that I know who maka the nipple or now on a kukumo. You know,
Pukwa Jim.
Very soon, no, do why never that here. Or do why that thing get on edge. But I can
go not the gum radio. The other yourself.
Oh, Benko. Benko.
Sir?
Onye jetere Benko jetere ife. Ọ bụ kubu iri bịam n'ọnụ. That's bịam n'ọnụ.
Benko Capino.
I don't hear.
You know, Houston.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah? Nke bụ bịam n'ọnụ. That's na-apịara efe steady. Itinye aka ịbịarụ kwakwa. Oh.
So, but basically, my question also, child support about the problem.
Oh, yeah, problem.
Actually, like ego alotalo ka government care you branya one.
But okay, wait. But it's not only now. If you are unless you don't want the child, unless you are denying the child, also trying to make that child support.
Yes.
On
this thing you on a kawan journey because obun in a young one gini amolonwa inokete Charlie or something. Only have maintained a child support because even when I actually only I got just see na child support now. One on a boom or man yes.
Okay, child support way.
We can give another from child support. I pay them per career nke on a boom. No, you want
that. Hamaro. You know, one good thing is that you can take it out. You can go and tell them that you don't want to put him in child support anymore. Unless me what the wicked one guys get lie. No.
Oh, true. Most men are stingy. Amen. Okay. Like you said, if you know, all I come man and woke chore mwa. The man will get you where what way that
because these two months are the reason. Like, what are you get? Go
come here, just come over. Just only 2 months.
I will get one kid and all. You must make a because
you know. August come over. Only fans 2 months. Couple.
Okay,
2 months of couple. What I target? Go buy soap. Oh God.
I'm dead. I'm dead.
Record.
I'm dead.
O nwere ihe nna furu elu ebe ahụ. Ewo.
God. Hey, God, though.
Eziokwu. Unu echere na those girls na-eme ka ego for nothing. Men na-akwụ ụgwọ there. Men na-akwụ ụgwọ there.
That means Waga, I should go open OnlyFans then.
Agbawara gị ncha, but the only problem bụ na ya na-enwetakwa that safety dị na-achọ maka ọ banye ebe a ọma mba.
Exactly.
Naanị ya ife ụmụ nwoke ka a na-asị gị OnlyFans chọọ na ya gara eziokwu ụmụ nwoke marakwa na ụmụ nwaanyị marakwa na amara na the more ụmụ nwaanyị na-enye anyị ụmụ nwoke nsogbu, ụmụ nwoke na-etunuzi to a different thing. Nke anụkwugo ma AI enwechakwuzi ma ndị nke eyiwa robot. Ụmụ nwoke can prefer now ka ha yiwa robot. Isi robot mụọ n'ọrụ gị robot amụọ n'ọrụ gị kwụkwọ ncha ịnyụọ okwu agwụ. So na-ekwu na amụ na-akọ obidobere ịkọwa the main pandemic. We need to go for more toys.
I'm not traveling again. I'm in Nigeria because what I did.
I'm
in Nigeria. I'm not going anywhere.
Beauty, so what came again?
At least some work by now. Photo go career like in the not this side now.
Nah, man, to try
support going here.
My go self. Working US.
Nigeria, man, do not tell my.
But the same working in the US takes care of women in Nigeria perfectly good, well, nice. So, qu'est-ce?
Because now the exchange rate. Each other $50. Yeah, normal.
When I went up, they were attending by 10,000. I don't know about everybody. Yeah. If we don't
Obama men na-erikwa ego n'Igbo. Yes. A na-subscribe but marakwa amarụ na ụmụ baanyị na-engage sikwa na ụmụ ife. I'm bịa kpọwazi OnlyFans mana anyị mago a na-eti egwu ndị na-anụ a na-esendịrị 10,000 ọbọkwa jọsi nwụsi amụ ike sendị ya gị 10,000 ị ga-enyere nwoke something chaa ya kamera down ụmụ ife
yo ya kanala
nwoke agbali elu
ị were aka kọ n'ikpu kpakpakpakpa taa ọ ga-ebu ụzọ taa
ife ọka na-akọpa na-akwụ ụgwọ na Naịjirịa na gosi ụmụ baanyị nwekwa ụmụ nwa mmiri a na-adị na-achị ebe a na-amada ego akọ na ya o were kamera da merụọ onye arụ nsi men na more and more na-emove towards na ọgbọrọ ya na ncha na ayọ ha biko ọka akwanụ mma biko na-ebere ọka akwanụ mma Not easy. When OnlyFans is there, Pornhub is there.
Imagine.
Aka man ki na-emetụ aka nke nọ nso ka mma karịa.
No, there's nothing like real something. Yes.
Oh God.
Nwoke banya na-emekwa na nke ahụ.
Angong eshinuku para gelu like this, raka like this, dog ya ya.
Go on, mkpu.
Me dog like this.
Hey, oh bad yes.
And Waga, she's wearing ring on her tongue, she will suck well.
Oh yes.
Oh,
I
Nyanka.
What she's wearing on her tongue.
Of course, yes. I love